Okay guys, I just wanted to take the opportunity to talk you through which charger I've got, just while our smart home charge engineer is drilling a hole through the wall. So this is the EO Mini Pro, and the main reason for that was we can charge at work. We actually won't be charging at home overnight all that often. With that in mind, we wanted something that was quite small and discreet, and we wanted an untethered unit. So just a socket. So there you go, so type 2. And obviously my cable is type 2 to type 2 as well. So you can see this is where our charger is going to go. So quite handy, next to the door, under a porch as well, and quite close to our car. So the charger is going to go there, and the charging port on the car is just here. So not far to go, perfectly fine for the cable that comes with the car, and it's actually long enough where our type 2 cable that we'll plug in to the EO will just go along the floor here, and then it will only just go up into the car. So it shouldn't be a major trip hazard, which is really handy. So the EO Mini Pro is installed. It took a little over 2.5, 3 hours. What seemed quite simple for me anyway, because I didn't have to install it. The app setup was a little bit trickier than I'd anticipated, but all in all, pretty easy to do and well worth it for having such a small device attached to my wall. So let's have a look. So this is where the main consumer unit is. Hopefully you can see that is where the cable is going through. Pretty straightforward job really, as I said. That's why my installation was quite quick. So we've literally just gone through there, and I'll show you. There she is, charging as well. So you can see, plugged in. And as I said, long enough cable, so it's not really a hazard. Easy enough. And then it will recognise the charger's plugged in. And there you go, the light's gone green.